Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. I am not sure what happened to my video yesterday, but it's, I don't know, I can't find it. And it never made it into the announcement, so I am recreating my announcement. I hope you guys had a great weekend. If you had the week off with your families, I hope you had a great week. Um, it was beautiful weather here in Connecticut, and I'm so happy that we had some beautiful weather because it was much needed, and it does so much for everyone's mood and happiness when the weather is a little bit nicer. So we are this week doing Unit 7, which means that we only have 2 more weeks left of class. Unit 7, we'll be talking about financial literacy. You do have some readings that are due. You have an interactive exercise. You have a discussion board that is focused on your financial literacy. And then you also have an additional and optional discussion board asking about next term. So if you want to share with your fellow students what your plans are for next term, you can do that in this discussion board. And this one is not graded, so don't feel pressured to do it. In addition to the discussion board and the interactive exercise that we do have to do, there is a journal prompt as well on the 7 habits of successful savers. There is also a quiz on financial aid. And again, when it's the quiz, you have unlimited attempts. So you can try this quiz as many times as you want until you get a grade that you are satisfied with. You can also go to your grades, my grades, and see what you have outstanding and see what is missing. This has zeros for me. Obviously, I don't have any graded work in here. You guys do have graded work in here. But this is where you can go to see whether or not you have anything that is outstanding. If you have questions, you can also go to, if you have questions for me, you can also go to discussion. And if this loads, that would be great. And to ask your instructor. All of these I get notifications that you're posting here, and I reach back out to you. So that's one way of contacting me. You can also go into email, and if you go to meet your instructor, you see that my email is right here. This is also a phone number that you can reach me at. You typically, text messages are better, and I just get to them faster than returning a phone call because I do have a full-time job as well and children, so that can be a little hectic. But that is the ways to get in touch with me if you need to. All right, so if any questions at all, please feel free to reach out, and we are